Alright, let's dive into the world of Hindu gods through the mesmerizing art of watercolor painting. Are you ready to explore the beauty and intricacy of capturing these divine beings on paper? Welcome to our art challenge where we will be painting Hindu gods using watercolors. I'm so excited to share my passion for this unique form of art with you all. Get your brushes ready because we are about to embark on a colorful journey. Painting Hindu gods with watercolors presents a unique challenge. The intricate details and symbolism associated with each deity make it a task that requires both skill and creativity. It's all about capturing the essence and aura of these divine beings with every brushstroke. Now, let's explore the different techniques and color choices that can be used to bring Hindu deities to life on paper. From vibrant colors to delicate shading, each element plays a crucial role in depicting the beauty and power of these gods. As we continue painting, we reach the key moment, the climax of our art challenge. It's the moment when the painting starts to resemble the chosen Hindu god, and you can feel the magic coming to life on the paper. This is where the excitement truly kicks in. Let's take a moment to recap our journey of painting Hindu gods with watercolors. It's been a challenging yet rewarding experience, filled with moments of creativity and inspiration. We've faced obstacles along the way, but the end result is truly magical. I encourage each and every one of you to try your hand at painting Hindu gods with watercolors. Share your creations with me, and let's inspire each other through art. Don't forget to subscribe for more art challenges and creative content. Together, let's continue exploring the world of art and creativity.